The big one, the biggest one.
I want to see more emotions.
Like, I don't know.
Oh, yes.
Huh?
I don't understand. I'm waiting. I'll record those as well.
Now we are
Guitar,
waiting.
you can attack now. Attack. Good morning, people, and welcome to another vlog. First of all, I want to thank all of you who actually took some time to subscribe and share my channel. I came before you. Okay. We've been out and we are just a bit hangover, and you know, they say to cure the hangover we need a good meal. So we are heading to Chinatown, and we'll taste some local cuisine, and yeah, we need a lot of protein to get back in shape, to get the energy back. But yeah, let's see. Back in Chinatown. Feels good to be back. I haven't been here in 10 months almost, since they
Before COVID, right?
closed it, yeah, before COVID. And here I had the best lobster, and I think the cheapest, like a big lobster, really big one. I pay 1,500 baht. They really have some great street food around here, and we are going to try some. I want to see more emotions.
Like, I don't know.
Oh, yes.
It's not super spicy.
This one is named Morning Glory, right?
Yeah.
Morning Glory.
Right?
This green thing, and in Thailand they are using for hangovers. The second day after the hangover. It doesn't help me, but it helps the rest.
Yeah, it doesn't help me also.
I'll try the squid. It's a bit chewy, but as it should be. And the spiciness is perfect.
I don't understand how people are eating without knives.
Huh?
I don't understand how.
Oh, such a big one. And try with the sauce. I don't like.
Okay, first time trying this snails, right?
Yeah, it's kind of.
Oops. They're quite tasty. I wasn't expecting it. Tastes a bit like squid, but a different flavor, not the sea flavor. Saucy.
Very weird.
Yeah, it is, but it's
It's a snail, right?
yeah, it's a snail.
I've never tried snail.
Me neither. Come on, KP, your turn.
It's my turn. I will pick the big one, the biggest one. It's my favorite thing.
The big ones?
Yes.
Did he bite you? Shut. That's not a shot. What are those?
We call it patangko. It's kind of like churros, but it's
Oh,
like
churros. Okay.
kind of but
Like
not the
donuts
same.
more.
Yeah,
More
yeah.
like- okay. So donuts, and then you
Like
have
donut bite.
beef. Let's try it.
Say it, patangko.
Patango.
Patangko.
That's what I said. Patango.
Okay, yeah, you do the best.
I have a lot of things to try actually. She's keeping all of them, but we are trying to find
Oh my god.
a place where we can sit and eat these things. Otherwise, maybe we can try it in the car.
Now we got patangko, right?
Yes, they are super hot.
But yeah,
Okay.
let's try it.
I think they are like donuts actually, but let's try it. Yeah, it's damn good. The sauce is super good. This one, those are super fluffy. Yeah, there are some types of donuts, and this is custard.
A few moments later.
Finally, the time has come to eat our snacks. To be honest, I had some other expectations from Chinatown. 10 months ago, the road was closed and there was no cars, and it was full, but you had some more space. But I should stop talking, start eating. Wasting time, KP is eating all of them. Cheers. Finally.
I will say this sentence every episode of you. You should try it.
You should try it. Yeah. Tuk tuk, you should try it.
Patangko, you should try it.
Yeah, she tried to hit a guy with a scooter on the road.
I'm not. I'm just driving my hands and like you can see it. Don't believe him.
Oh, never mind.
Wait, you bite my finger. Why?
Mistake.
You revenge me last episode that I slapped on your face, right? Subscribe and please don't forget to give him a thumbs up or maybe thumbs down.
No! Thumbs up.
Yeah, and subscribe please.
And share the video if you like it. Super important.
Bye.
Bye.